To set up eSIM in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter mobile network, and then we can navigate to the eSIM. Now you can activate eSIM right here, but keep in mind that this will disable your second SIM slot. After a moment of waiting, we'll be able to finish the setup. You can add eSIM right here. Then it can take a few minutes to load this option, but for me it was almost instant. And then we can set up our eSIM or transfer eSIM from our other device. If you go for a setup eSIM, you'll be able to either enter a code for your eSIM, scan the QR code from your eSIM instantly, or you can scan it from the photo that you've already saved on your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.